Top 5 Superfoods for Summer. Summer has arrived and everyone wants to enjoy this wonderful time of year. You can go swimming, trekking, camping, play around the beach and enjoy a night outside grilling some of your favorite foods. Here are the top 5 superfoods for summer. Number 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is a staple food for summer picnics. With about 92% of its weight coming from water, watermelon contributes to fluid intake to help keep the body well hydrated. Number 2. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are another ideal cooling summer food. They have high water content and help keep your body cool and refreshed. Number 3. Summer squash. The nice flavor and creamy texture of summer squash go well as with many summer meals. It is a great source of the antioxidant vitamins C and A. It also provides energy-boosting B vitamins. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is perfect in the summer for cooling the body and helping disperse body heat. Along with protein and calcium, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that keep your digestive system running smoothly as well as boost immunity and prevent yeast infections. Number 5. Buttermilk. Drinking buttermilk at the end of a long, hot day in the sun is a great way to combat dehydration and fatigue. Packed with electrolytes and lots of water, a glass of buttermilk can help rehydrate your body. If you liked the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and share with friends.